Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another edition of Tamco Product Premiere. My name's Anthony Moorhead, the Commercial Director for Tamlite and Fusion, and I'm joined by
James Bell, Tamlite Commercial Indoor.
So James, today we want to look at the new HOR LED2, and there's a lot of good features to show off in this product. So first of all, I think maybe you could just give us a quick introduction to the construction of the body.
Yeah, sure, absolutely. So for starters, this is a made in America product. Everything you see here either has American construction or design. We'll start with the actual body. It's a 24 gauge American steel. It's hot dip galvanized, so you have that rust protection in there. Along with that, we do a painted after fabrication, so a PAF. So we paint it with American powder coat right after that, after everything is assembled and everything. So you have American steel and American powder coating. After that, we have the American, they're made in California right now, so the American LED boards.
So where's the steel from?
The steel is from North Carolina, the Carolinas.
So we've got our LED boards from California.
Yep.
We've got our steel coming from North Carolina. And the powder coat, I believe, is Philadelphia?
I believe so. I'm not sure, but I think it is from Philadelphia.
Okay, and then the labor, obviously.
American labor right here in Florida, right here behind
Florida,
us.
as you can see behind us, guys.
Yep.
Lighting your facility the old-fashioned way can be expensive, inefficient, and downright dangerous. Introducing the new HOR LED High Bay from Tamlite, made in the USA and better than ever. Thanks, Tamlite.
So James, that's awesome. So this is definitely a BAA compliant product.
Yep.
So now I think what we need to talk about is what are the options?
Okay. Well, as far as the options go, first we have different wattages available. So we have the 100 watt, the 150, the 240, and the 270 watt. Each one of those have different lumen outputs, 13,000, 20,000, 27,000, 37,000 accordingly. So those are options that we have as far as the lumen outputs and the electrical. For the, the adders, so we have the aircraft cable, which comes with the fixture as standard. A little bit of a selling feature for the job, a little bit of cost savings on the job for your hanging material. We do have the optional sensor. So on this body, we have a knockout here that allows you to add in a Maritech sensor. This allows you to have daylight harvesting, aux sensing, motion control. We are able to program this to certain settings via the dip switches on the back side here. You just move these up and down to a certain configuration for the job site. That can all be done in the field once it's purchased. The lenses that we come with this fixture are removable. So if you get the fixture, so you get a 20,000 lumen fixture, you love it. Maybe it's a little bit too bright, it's not bright enough for your customer for some reason. You have the option to remove these lenses and increase the lumen output on this fixture. They come 133 lumens per watt roughly. Without the lenses, it goes up to 157 lumens per watt, so that's 157. So those are a few of the features that come standard with it. But other than that, yeah, it's just it's a well-rounded fixture that's great for a lot of applications.
And I've been with engineering and I've heard there's a lot of new perks to this LED board. Do you want to talk to us about the new technology?
Yeah, so typically on LED boards you have a metal substrate on the back side which is for heat dissipation. Now technology has come so far on these boards that they are able to put it on a adhesive backed board. So this board right here is an example of that. it has adhesive backing. These boards are also used in the automotive industry because of the thermal efficiencies. So they're very efficient. And like I said earlier, they're able to get up to 157 lumens per watt, which is outstanding as far as the boards go. But it's a great thermal board. It's used in a couple, like I said, Bosch uses them, Ford uses them. So it's a really great board that we use here and we sourced for this fixture.
Yep, perfect. Okay, James, this looks awesome, buddy.
It is awesome. I'm glad you said that.
It's a good looking fixture. And so talk us through the design. Is this all just a decorative feature or does it serve a purpose?
A little bit of both. So this is it's a very, looking at this picture, you definitely want to be able to, you look up and you want to see this in your facility. But it's also very efficient. So when you look at this fixture, it has a nice 2x2 footprint. This allows for a very versatile application to be used in very many applications. And then you have your, it's very lightweight as well. So this thing roughly only weighs about 17 pounds. So you have your lightweight, you have your 2x2 footprint, so you can take this thing on the job site very easily. You can truck it up a ladder or a boom lift very easily. But as far as the construction goes as well, we have little vents, as you see across the entire body here. This is for added heat dissipation, so it helps the fixture be a lot more efficient. And as this fixture is up in your warehouse, it's getting hot, it's breathing as it's on, so everything all this heat is dripping out of the fixture and becoming more efficient and making it last a little bit longer.
Awesome. James, that sounds amazing, buddy. And so as you can see behind us, we've got 140,000 square feet of manufacturing facility. Please support us all you can so we can keep our American workers as busy as possible. Thank you very much.
Have a great day. Thank you.